Okay, so what I did is I created my Kahoot, and all I did was just make this was the title, the sounds with the sounds, and then I have questions here. I have about 6 of them, and then what I do is I had typed in the question, then I give them 20 seconds to do it, and then I do award points as well. And then I can have the answer right here, and the correct answer is soon, and I would push the check mark. I'm not going to upload any pictures because it's not really, I don't know what to put for vowels. But I just have the 6 questions, and then I push save. And then now I'm going to preview it, and then I'm going to play it. So here's an example of me playing it on my phone. Which words have the long oo sound? And then soon. So I got that right. And then now, as another example, I'm the only player, but which words have the short sound? And I push hook. And then I just do that continuously. And so that's how this Kahoot would be used, and the students would play with their parents. And that's how you do it.